ही पोझिशन बरोबर आहे. ओके. Dear students, today we are going to talk about the writing skills, that is expansion of an idea. Expansion of an idea means developing an idea into a paragraph. Developing an idea into a paragraph. For that purpose, you should know the hidden meaning of that particular proverb, of that particular statement. Otherwise, you just read it and cannot pen down anything. The first topic here is dishonesty never pays in the long run. Dishonesty never pays in the long run. It means बेईमानी लंबे समय तक तुम्हारा साथ नहीं दे सकती. अप्रामाणिकपणा कधीही फार काळ टिकू शकत नाही. Dishonesty never pays in the long run. Dishonesty seems to a fundamental part of the world we live in. From political ups and downs to the ordinary lies that we all tell to avoid the trouble, dishonesty is very well known to all of us. A school-going child lies to his mother. A school-going child lies to his mother and failed test scores. A worker lies to his boss about why he got late to work. A child steals the money from his father's purse and said nothing about it. Our mind constantly overworking to cover up one lie with another. एक खोटा, एक असत्य, एक झूठ छुपाने के लिए हमें कई बार झूठ कहना पड़ता है. आणि म्हणून सत्य बोलण्याचा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो खरा फायदा हा असतो की आपण काय बोललो हे लक्षात ठेवावं लागत नाही. आणि जेव्हा मनुष्य खोटा बोलतो तेव्हा तो त्याच्या अंतरात्म्याचीही फसवणूक करतो आणि समोरच्याचीही फसवणूक करतो. प्रश्न हा नाही की तुम्ही कुठून पडलात, परंतु किती उंचीवरनं पडलात तेही महत्त्वाचं नाही, तर तुम्ही तुमच्या नजरेतनं जर पडलात तर सगळं काही संपून जाते. त्याची कुठलीही नुकसान भरपाई तुम्ही करू शकत नाही. Our minds are the mirrors that tell us that we are cheating to someone. We are deprived of our clear conscience. आमची सद्विवेक बुद्धी जी असते ती आम्हाला चांगल्या कामांपासून वंचित ठेवते. And we are penalizing our brains by asking it to remember all the lies that we have told so that we don't get caught. Dishonesty never pays in the long run. One can cheat and clear an exam or an interview, but is that going to help you in becoming the person you desire to become one day? Your dreams, your aspirations, your ambition turn to ashes if you are dishonest with your soul. So, your basic duty is to follow the four simple rules in your life. You have to follow the four basic rules in your life. Number one, try to know all the facts. Number two, study the circumstances. Number three, focus only on the merits of others. And the last one is leave, Leave, leave all judgments of others' bad deeds to God. You are not the omnipotent. तुम्ही स्वतःला परमेश्वरी अवतार समजू नका. You are not omnipotent to punish others, and be honest with your soul and be honest with the world. Then and then only you can be happy and satisfied and stable, peaceful, tranquil in your life. So this is the first idea, that is dishonesty never pays in the long run. The second topic here is a stitch in time saves nine. A stitch in time saves nine. This proverb means the timely remedies applied by you can save you from great disaster, from great loss, from great damage, and from great mental torture. आपल्याला होणारा मानसिक त्रास, आपलं होणारं मोठं नुकसान, आपल्याला सोसावे लागणारे हाल, हे जर आपल्याला टाळायचे असतील तर आपण वेळेवरच उपाययोजना करायला हव्यात. अन्यथा आपल्याला या सगळ्या दुःखाला सामोरं जावं लागू शकतं. सो लिसन अबाउट धिस सेकंड कन्सेप्ट, that is a stitch in time saves nine. Very few people understand the importance of respecting time. Time and tide never wait for anyone. या क्षणाला तुमच्या घड्याळात 6:35 झाले असतील तर ते 36 होतील, 37 होतील, 38 होतील, 45 होतील, परंतु ते कधीही 6:15, 6:20 असे होऊ शकत नाही. यू कॅनॉट चेंज, यू कॅनॉट रिव्हर्स द फ्लो ऑफ टाइम. टाइम इज इल्युसिव्ह. टाइम इज running fast. We think that we will always have time, but the reality is that time not stand still even for a second. Time never stops even for a second. एका सेकंदासाठी सुद्धा काळ थांबलेला आहे असं होत नाही. A moment lost is lost forever. A moment lost is lost forever. We delay decisions and then one day realize. We delay decision and one day realize that it is too late to do something. It is too late to do something. परतीचे सगळे मार्ग, प्रगतीच्या सगळ्या वाटा, उत्कर्षाचे सगळे मार्ग हे काळोखमय होऊन जातात जेव्हा क्षण आपल्या हातातून निघून गेलेला असतो. We must be aware that even the smallest degree of negligence can cost us a lot, because time and tide wait for none. And so be very, very honest, be very particular, be very punctual, be very transparent in your day-to-day affair while talking to your parents, your teachers, your elders, your friends. You have to be very, very punctual, very, very honest, very, very truthful. Otherwise, the superpower will also not help you. So this is the second topic. A stitch in time saves 9. वेळेवर घातलेला एक धागा, एक चांगलं वस्त्र अधिक काळ टिकवू शकतो. वेळेवर घातलेली एक शिवण, वेळेवर केलेली एक उपाययोजना आपलं भविष्यातलं भारी नुकसान टाळू शकते. द थर्ड टॉपिक इज नथिंग सक्सीड्स लाईक सक्सेस. नथिंग सक्सीड्स लाईक सक्सेस. एकदा आयुष्याच्या प्रवाहात तुम्हाला यश मिळायला सुरुवात झाली की यशाचा वर्षाव सुरू होतो. यशाचा धुवाधार पाऊस, यशाच्या श्रावणधारा तुमच्या आयुष्यात बरसू लागतात आणि यशासारखं दुसरं काहीही असू शकत नाही. परंतु विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यश म्हणजे चटकीपट बाजारात गेलो आणि वस्तू खरेदी केली अशातली गोष्ट असू शकत नाही. त्यासाठी आपल्याला कसोशीने प्रयत्न करावे लागतात, चिकाटी ठेवावी लागते, अपयशाचा सामना करावा लागतो. प्रसंगी आपला कुठेतरी अहंकार दुखावला तरी ते प्रयत्नपूर्वक विसरावं लागतं आणि ह्या गोष्टी ज्याला साधल्या तो आयुष्याच्या प्रवासात यशस्वी होतो. आणि म्हणूनच असं म्हटलं जाते की कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराग नहीं हो सकता. कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराग नहीं हो सकता. एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो. एक प्रयत्न तर अगदी अंतरंगापासून करून बघा. यश निश्चित तुमच्यासाठी आणि तुमच्याकरताच जन्म घेईल, यात शंका नाही. सो let us expand this idea that nothing succeeds like success. When we think of success, we usually think the accumulation of wealth. Success and wealth are the different things. आयुष्यात मिळालेलं यश आणि संपत्ती ह्या दोन गोष्टी हातात हात घालून चालत नसतात. When we think of success, we usually think of the accumulation of wealth, but this can never be more than a small fragment of success, because success in reality signifies any form of attainment or achievement, any form of attainment or achievement that is really praiseworthy. And it is very important to understand the psychology of success. Success is not the destination of your life. Success is not the destination of your life, because your life itself is a journey. It's a prolonged journey, and success is one of the milestones in it, where you come to know that where did you begin your journey and how long have you reached. And therefore you have to be very alert, very careful about the happenings around you. The fact is that anyone who is advancing in his work is successful to that degree, whether his achievement is small or large. It is only the mind that is moving forward or rising in the scale that can succeed. Success invariably implies adding of more and more to what we already possess, whether those possessions be tangible possessions, achievements and attainments, or riches of mind and soul. When we understand the full meaning of success, we shall find that the reason why nothing succeeds like success is due to the fact that the psychological process of success contains within itself the real power for success, and when that power has actually been placed in the action, it tends to give you better and finer results in the passage of time. Our next concept here is, where there is a will, there is a way. जिथे इच्छाशक्ती आहे तिथे मार्ग आहे. Where there is a will, there is a way. तुमच्याजवळ काही करण्याची उर्मी असावी लागते, काहीतरी मिळवण्याचं एक असं प्रबळ स्वप्न असावं लागते, एक प्रज्वलित असणारी इच्छाशक्ती असावी लागते, तरच तुम्ही आयुष्यामध्ये काहीतरी मिळवू शकता. सो दिस इज द फोर्थ टॉपिक अबाउट विच वी आर going to discuss, that is, where there is a will, there is a way. Just with the man's willpower, dedication and determination, he can realize the impossible things in life into the reality of life. If we determine to achieve our goals and focus on it, then surely we will find a way to achieve it. Biographies of great people like Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Lata Mangeshkar, Amitabh Bachchan, sports personalities like Sachin Tendulkar, P.T. Usha have proven themselves on the test of time. They inspire us to face the difficulties ahead of us. If a student focuses on his studies and aims to get top marks or secure first class, then nothing can stop him. Your hard work is the key to your success. You have to burn the midnight oil to see the bright dawn. 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 Dawn means प्रभात. तुमच्या आयुष्यात एक मंगलमय प्रभात, एक मंगलमय पहाट, एक शुभ सकाळ जर तुम्हाला अनुभवायचे असेल तर आजच्या मध्यरात्री तुम्हाला कष्ट करावेच लागतील. जेव्हा सारं जग झोपलेलं असेल, निवांतपणे आराम करत असेल, त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला कष्ट करावे लागतील. ॲज डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर हॅज ऑल्सो सेड दॅट I know that without hard work I cannot remove the sorrow or the sordid present of my brothers and sisters where I live and where I have suffered, where I have seen so many fluctuations in the society. And this is the ultimate reality. हे अंतिम सत्य आहे. मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला मला एवढंच या प्रॉव्हर्बच्या माध्यमातून सांगायचं आहे की प्रत्येक सुशिक्षित, सुविचारी, सुशील आणि सामाजिक जाण भान असणाऱ्या पालकांनी आपल्यापेक्षा आपल्या पाल्यांना, आपल्या लेकरा बाळांना उच्च पदावरती पोचवणं हे त्यांचं आद्य कर्तव्य आहे. आणि त्याच्यासाठीच आपल्याला आज खूप खूप कष्ट करायचे आहे की जेणेकरून आपला भविष्यकाळ उज्ज्वल असेल. सो लेट अस कंटिन्यू धिस आयडिया. ऑब्स्टॅकल्स अँड हर्डल्स कम इन एव्हरीवन्स लाईफ. Obstacles and hurdles come in everyone's life, but that doesn't mean we should give up our aim. अडचणी, अडथळे, समस्या, त्रास, पैशाची कमतरता ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी प्रत्येकाच्याच आयुष्याचा एक अविभाज्य भाग आहेत. याचा अर्थ हा होत नाही की आम्ही आमचे प्रयास सोडून द्यावेत. याचा अर्थ हा होत नाही की आम्ही त्या क्षेत्रातून माघार घ्यावं. जर आमचं स्वप्न हे प्रांजळ असेल, ते जर प्राप्त करण्यासाठी कष्ट उचलण्याची आमची तयारी असेल, तर यश हमखास आमच्या वाटेला येणारच आहे. दॅट इज वाय इट इज राईटली सेड, वेअर there is a will, there is a way. The last concept here is Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day. Rome is the name of a city. It symbolizes the greatness, the glory, the excellence, the beauty and everything that you can imagine. So, Rome was not built in a day. This proverb stands for any great achievement. It took many years, huge amounts of resources and expenditure in creating the city that became the envy of the world. जगाला हेवा वाटावा, जगाला ज्याच्याबद्दल असूया वाटावी, असं हे महान शहर रोम एका रात्रीत निर्माण झालं नाही. त्याच्यासाठी असंख्य लोकांचे प्रयत्न, असंख्य लोकांचे कष्ट, असंख्य लोकांच्या त्याग, समर्पण सर्व काही कामी आलेलं आहे. एनिथिंग कॅनॉट बी अचीव्ड इन्स्टंटली. लॉट्स ऑफ हार्डवर्क, dedication and patience go in for attaining success. A student who wishes to top the class has to devote most of his time in studying. He has to work hard and put in all his efforts, plan and a scheduled timetable to follow throughout the academic year. It is not that just studying only for some time will give him the position. Nowadays, the youngsters don't have patience. What we find in the present generation is that they want success without any hard work. They want easy money. They want to become rich in a single night. But that is not the case. The success that you achieve in this way cannot be lasting, cannot be durable. You have to devote your energy, time and your strong willpower for realizing the dreams in your life. And that is the theme of this proverb. Rome was not built in a day. That's all. So thank you very much. Expansion of an idea is a thing where you have to apply your power of imagination, where you have to use your word power, where you have to read something extra other than your prescribed syllabus, and then only you can express yourself. And so it is advised that you should read the newspapers, magazines, refer the dictionaries, go to the library, read something on the electronic media and so on. That's all.